Greetings everyone, welcome to another Star Trek video, and this time we will go back in time and we will take a look at the Enterprise XCV-330 Declaration Class. So let's go straight into Creo. And here we are, and this is the ship. Yes, that's the ship that was first seen, or rather its picture, in the motion picture in the movie. Then, of course, its drawing was in Captain Archer's room, and the model was featured in Into Darkness. It is experimental ship with the warp drive based on the Vulcan design, and it predates NX class. Uh, so yeah, the design is rather unique, but for the sake of having all the enterprises, I decided to do it too. Because of how big the rings are, I had to modify the stand and make it much smaller in order for the ship to actually fit on my shelf. So now let's take a look at how everything is done. So we can see that it is divided into the rings and the middle, and of course the stand. So now we will take a look at the rings and how they are assembled. So we will start with this one piece, and yeah, here we have the second piece, which is basically the same, only it has the text. Unfortunately, the text has to be painted. I wasn't able to actually design it in a way that it could be printed separately. Of course, if you have MMU, it's a different case. Then here in the bottom we have the bottom piece of the two rings, and as you can see here we have a preparation for the locks, and the locks or the connectors will be inserted here into it and thus connecting the pieces together. Now we will add the details made out of golden pieces, which will be slided into the openings. And now we will connect the two rings with these connector pieces, which have pegs that go through the holes, and one has the opening for the middle part. And then we will add these black pieces. Yes, here as well I wasn't able to do it attachable, so those black stripes you have to glue in. Yeah, and the same for the second ring. And now we will finish it by adding the last pieces, which will have the corresponding holes for the pegs of the gray pieces, and we'll basically click everything together, and the rings are done. Then we have the middle, and it is also very easy. So we start with this piece. As you can see, it has holes for the standard pins, and we also have the second half, which goes yeah, like that, and it also has three holes for the pins, so we will insert all the pins, and now attach the second half of both halves, let's say. Yeah, like that. Yeah, this piece I have printed that this part is from the red piece, so yeah, no painting. Anyway, uh, now here we have this spec, and into it we will insert the engines, and to this spec we will insert the golden piece of the engines, like that. And now here to this we will insert this black piece. To those three openings we will insert these black pieces. Now to those three grooves we will insert those red pieces, and here to those openings we will insert these black pieces, and of course here to the neck we will insert all those black pieces. Now here we will insert this black piece, and because we still have the peg here we will insert the front with the dish, and last but not least the names and numbers, a classical cassette. And as you can see here it has this peg, and it will be basically inserted to this hole. And yes, it will be better if you simply glue them together, because it will keep hanging, so after a while it can get loose. And last but not least, the stand, and yeah, the standard stand with the changed neck, I guess, and updated informations. So that's the model, and now we will take a look at the actual print. And here we are, and the ship is done. Yeah, I have to say it went quite well. Everything fitted together nicely. As I said, unfortunately, the black rings have to be glued in. But other than that, no glue was really used, and unfortunately, the text inside the rings uh, have to be painted, which is pain. But here, no, because here it is printed that way, and also those black stripes here and here I painted. Yeah, but other than that, it was kind of fun, though it took some while to print because I ran out of white filament. But yeah, it holds together nicely, and another enterprise to my collection. Okay, then have a very nice day, and bye bye.